BIMS Bangalore was established in 2005 and it's known for its teaching pedagogy. It is managed by Geeta Educational Trust and affiliated to Bangalore University. It is also approved by AICTE and is also famous for its state-of-the-art infrastructure. This is the campus classroom where students spend most of their time attending classes and sharing ideas. These classrooms are qualitative and add value to students' learning. We have now arrived at the ultimate learning center for every student, the campus library. The campus library consists of a large variety of books that help students in expanding their knowledge. The library has the latest editions of books so that students stay updated with the current know-how of their domain. Here is a large auditorium that can accommodate more than 300 plus people at a time. It is ideal for conferences, cultural events, and workshops. It has top-notch audio-visual facilities for a memorable experience. This is the computer lab at the campus. With modern technology and upgraded systems, it serves the right purpose for students to learn about the latest technologies through practice. Here you can see a large playground that is used for outdoor sports like cricket and football. Playing these team sports helps students to learn team management and leadership skills. Students do not have to worry about traveling to the city for excursion on weekends or the day-to-day commute, as the campus has excellent transport facilities. These buses are well maintained and available to all campus students. This brings us to the end of the Campus 360 video of BIMS. As you saw, the campus infrastructure is ready to offer a wholesome educational experience to students.